Hello everyone, in this video we have to solve the leetcode problem which is single number and the question name is 136. So in this question we have a given array and in this every element appear twice except for the one. For example, we have a given array. In this all the elements are becomes two times, but only except one element it will come. For example, here we 3. So what we have to return the 3. So in this we have two approaches which we discuss in this video. What is from the XOR operation, which is good complexity of O log 1, and the second one is hash map. So in this question first we have to discuss this approach, which is XOR. In XOR what we have to read, if the 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1, so we have to read in the XOR if both are the same, so it will return the 0 0, and if both are the different it will be return 1. So for example, let's move to this test case. It will be 4 1 4 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 4 1 2 1 2, and the output would be 4. Explain it how, I will explain how the output would be 4. So in this question we have to take a result variable which is initialized to 0, and what we do, we have to make a for loop int num which we iterate from that particular array, for example this one. So what we do, in the nums first we have to take a result 4. For what we do, we have to put the result res is equal to that particular number which is 4. So what in res, in the starting res is 0, so it will become this. For the 0 it will convert into binary which is 0, and for the 4 what would be to convert, it convert like this: 4 2 2 the 4 0 2 1 the 3. So it would be became 0 1 0 0. So 0 1 0 0. So 0 0 it will 0 0, and for this one it will would be become. So in result what will be store, which is also a 4. So in result it will store 4. In result it will be store 4. For the next, it what would be became 1. So after converting 1 into binary, so 4 is equal to 1 0 0, and binary of 1, so 1 is 1, so it would be also a 1 0 1. So which is also after the same 0, and different one is 1. So what we do, 1 1 0 1, and for the next one would be 2. For the 2 we convert it 2 1 the 2 it is 0, and for the 1 and 0 it would be, for different it would be 1, and for different it would be 1. For this one, and for now next one is 1. For 1 it would be 0 1 0, and for next one it would be 2. Then for the 1 1 0, for 2 would be 1 and 0 1 and 0. So the answer is, for the 0 it would be 0, for the 0 for 1 1 it would be also a 1. For this, after converting it into binary, 2 raised to power 0 0 into 2 raised to power 1 1 into 2 raised to power 2. So 2 raised to power 2 is answer 4. So output would be here output would be 4. So first way, we have using this method which is XOR. So in this we have to store we have take a result, and every number it will convert into binary. After conversion of the binary, we have to, in the last we have convert into binary into integer. Then we have to return the result, because result is data type result is int. So that's why this process in which we have to do by the help of XOR. And the second approach is by the help of XOR. So in this question what we do, for the beginner, if we do not know, hash map store the two things, which first is like this one, hash map this one integer and comma integer. So first integer is keys mean you are indexing, but we don't say the index because index are in the array. So I will, in the technical word it will be same. And for the integer, what will the values, like for the 1 1 1 1, for the given the test case 1 1 2 2 and the this one, so answer would be 3. I will explain how the 3. So we, what we do, hash map store in the two keywords. So in first one we store the indexing, and for the this one we have stored the value is 1 2 and 3. So what do we do, sorry, value not here, value not here, values mean here we store the frequencies of the this one. So like this 1 2 and 2 2 and 3 1. What with this one, 1 comes 2 time, 2 comes 2 time, 3 comes 1 time. So how we do, we make a for loop which traverses from 1 to n. And what we do, if we make a condition, if hs, which is hash set dot contains this question, contains key is with this one. If this contain, then what we do, we have to put the this one. So we make a conditions here, hm dot hs or hm dot put. What we do, we have to put firstly the that number, and now this frequency. So what we do, we have to like this one, hm dot get nums of 5 plus 1. So what we do, hm dot get this get will we do, this get what we do, get return the value at that index. So actually get return the index number is what, your 1, and the frequency is like 2. So nums is 1 1, and hm dot get 1, what this return, it return 2, and what we plus 1, we have to increase the frequency. So here we, what we put 1 comma 3. So this will lose. If the element is not contained in the array, so what we do, we put the 1, and initialize its frequency to the 1. So this question, and after that all the putting the value, we make a for loop int key hm dot key set. But this hm dot key set, for example, we have a array like this, a hash map like this, 1 come 3 time, 2 come 4 time, 5 come 3 time. So hm dot key set print the this keys 1 2 and comma 5. So hm dot keys mean hm dot get, what I will say, hm dot keys would be 1. So hm 1 equal to hm dot get. If we put the key, it what will be return, it return the frequency. So hm dot 1 is equal to 1, so it would be false. Like we make a 6, whichever frequency. So hm dot 1 equal to 1, no, this is 3. For the 4, for the 3, for the 1, there is will be equal. So what we do, we have to return the key. And this is our GitHub repo. So here we explain it. hm dot key, hm dot get, here key is what I will say, index. So it will return the value is like your frequency. So remove one and contain the keys and contain the value. This will true when if the value at 5 exists. For example, 5 mean what, your index. If the value at index 5, the frequencies, if the frequency is present, so it will return 2. If frequency is not present, it will give the false. For the same, what is cyber, here the cyber is this one, the frequencies. If the cyber is present, though, it will give the true. So I hope this video will help you. So all the question, all the answer will be provided in the description. Thank you.